be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in their sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
How's it going?
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. So I wanted to do something different in this video rather than the typical come into the room and show you the shoe. I wanted to actually show you the shoe on feet and show me like running errands and walking around in the shoe, actually wearing the shoe, because it's rare that I get a shoe and put it right on feet. And that's the case with these. The Spider-Man Ultra 4D, Adidas Ultra 4D in this Spider-Man theme. And man, I really think these are amazing. I think these are great. I recently just bought my wife a pair of the Ultra 4D, like with this style kind of bottom, because my wife's not really into sneakers. She's not like a sneakerhead or anything, but she likes Ultra Boosts. And she needed a new pair of like Ultra Boosts, and a pair of these Ultra 4Ds were on sale for like $100. So I bought them for her, and she really likes them. She really likes how comfortable they are. So I had seen that these were coming in. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but Spider-Man is like my favorite Marvel character. Like outside of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, of course they're not Marvel, but outside of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Spider-Man is like my favorite superhero. So him, then Black Panther, because didn't know about Black Panther when I was a little kid. But Spider-Man's my guy, so I saw these and I was like, I'm gonna try for them. They released like, I want to say a week ago, early in the morning, like I want to say it was the 16th of October. They released at like 2 o'clock in the morning my time, and I didn't get them at that point. I was up and I did try, but I didn't get them at that time. But I woke up a few hours later and I was able to get them. So, but it took a little bit for them to ship. You can see on the inside the PlayStation and Insomniac Games, Marvel logo, the Spider-Man logo. Man, these are dope. And you can see that the I can't think of the word, but the hints of Venom. Is it symbiote? I might be saying that wrong. I'm going blank right now, but the you can see that Venom is slowly coming up from the shoe to take over the Spider-Man right there. I like that. They did these nicely, man. They really did these nicely. And then on the lace tips, there is a PlayStation logo on each lace. All right. I just wanted to actually show you them on feet. And I went down, and Ultra Boost, I feel like Ultra Boost for me, they run a little big. So I always go down instead of going up. But I think that's the case with Adidas in general. Like even with forums, I can fit a 13. So, excuse me, most Adidas, I usually go down to a 13 instead of going up to a 14. You know, my true size is 13 and a half. Yeezys, 13 and a half fit perfectly. But for most other Adidas, I got to wear a 13. So that's what I got in these right here. But I like these, man. I like the way they look on feet. I like the way they feel. Here's the bottom. They are not as, like, for me at least, not as squishy and bouncy as Ultra Boost or the Alpha Bounce. Like, maybe I just haven't broken mine in. My wife says that her Ultra 4Ds are really squishy and bouncy, so maybe it's just me. Mine haven't been, broken in yet. Today is actually the first day that I'm wearing them. I got them last night, and today I'm wearing them. I put them right on feet because I like them, and I don't buy my shoes just to sit them up and stock them. Like, I'm buying them because I like them and I want to wear them. And these went straight to feet. All right. But anyway, I just wanted to do something different. Take you all along with me while I ran some errands and actually wear the shoes, show you how they look on feet. These right now appear to be sold out, so you may have to hit the resale market if you would like to get these. I'm sorry, but if you are patient, you might be able to get them for under retail, because I've seen the Black Panther version of this shoe for way under retail right now, like half off retail. So if you're interested, give it some time, be a little patient, you'll be able to get them. But that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.